What's up, YouTube? Today is July 10th, 2024, and to be honest, I didn't plan this video in the slightest. I'm actually supposed to be studying for my midterm tomorrow, and I also am pitching to a CFO tomorrow. So I have so much going on, but I feel like I'm out of purpose. I feel like my purpose is YouTube has a big part of it, and in school, bro, I know it does serve a purpose. It does serve a purpose. But right now, the class that I'm taking is math analysis. I don't even know, bro. This is because I'm in summer right now, so it's summer school, and it was super accelerated. Yeah, math analysis for business, calculus. Oh, math analysis for business calculus. So yeah, I'm taking this right now, and it's tremendously boring. And yeah, the reason why I'm making this video is because I have so much unedited footage. And I've been waiting to edit it for it to be perfect before I post it. I've been waiting to find uncopyrighted music. I'm wanting to make it like perfect that YouTube won't take it down, or that YouTube won't stop me from monetizing it. You know what? I'm just gonna start posting because it's never gonna be perfect. So I'm just gonna start posting, and you know, by God's grace, it'll work out. So yeah, thank you guys who are still subscribed. But yeah, I'm just making this video because it's been on the top of my mind. I feel like God keeps putting it in my heart, like, bro, get to work with this YouTube thing, because I can really see, like, I have a vision for where I want to take it. So anyway, thank you guys for watching as always, and I'm serious, there's gonna be more videos to come. And the reason why I made this video unplanned is because I just want to get the ball moving, because momentum isn't started by motivation, but momentum is started by action, and the more action you take, the more momentum you have, which will give you motivation later. So yeah, I'm getting this moving. And I also have, well, just to give you guys an idea of what I got going on today, I mentioned earlier, I've got this math analysis class. I have my midterm tomorrow. I really don't know what's going on. So just to give an update on like what I'm doing recently, I just finished editing an audiobook for a CFO, and I'm gonna pitch to him an idea tomorrow, which I haven't really had time to make the pitch because I've been doing this class, and it's like, bro, this feels, I don't know how, I know how it'll help me, because it'll help me get into, it's a prerequisite for some other classes. But yeah, I've got this, I've got my own social media, I've got the work with the CFO, and I have just all the other responsibilities of life. So like, I am still running the claw machine. I just lost one of my bigger locations. So yeah, that's a quick update on where I'm at, but I'm committed to this YouTube thing. I don't have the schedule yet. I don't know how it's gonna work out exactly, but I'm committed to it, and it's gonna work. So, and when I say it's gonna work, I mean, I want to do YouTube. I want to spend time just making videos and stuff right now, but there's so much other life responsibility. So I want to be able to shift my whole business to social media, so I don't have to worry about certain other things. Whew, man, yeah. Dang, yeah, no, there's a lot I want to talk about right now, but I really do have to get back to studying. So, once again, I know this video is pretty all over the place. I'm just speaking my mind. So, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you guys.